If you're confused by finding the holes of the function, there will be 3 videos, one for each of these. 5C's already been recorded, so make sure you look that up. But basically, what you want to do in a problem like this, we're going to do B, is you want to look at the top or bottom and see if anything can be factored. It's all about factoring. That's why factoring came first in this class before this unit. You have to know how to factor in order to do this. So, when you look at the numerator, is there a number that 2x and 6 have in common? 2. When I say a number in common, I mean, is there a number that divides into them nicely? 2. You can always bring out a 2 when both numbers are even. So it factors to that. The bottom has an x plus 3. The top has an x plus 3. Does anything cancel? You're removing the dirt from the equation, so you're creating a hole in the graph. That hole will occur at 3 comma something. It is going to be at 3 comma 2. And here's why. Sorry, negative 3. Thank you. All right? So what we needed to figure out was what x value would go in here and make the bottom 0. And that's negative 3. Okay? So negative 3 is where the trouble is going to occur. The question is, what y value goes with it? Well, to find the y value, you plug negative 3 into the equation in the part that didn't cancel out. Well, what's left in the equation after everything cancels? 2 over 1. Is there anywhere to put x? When you have an equation that says f of x equals the number 2, I don't care what x is. It could be 8, it could be 18, it could be negative 3. Hello? No matter what you put in, y is always what? 2. It's called a constant function. So that's where the hole is, at negative 3 comma 2. Everywhere else on this function, friend, it's just going to be a horizontal line with a hole at negative 3 comma 2. If you wanted to figure out why, you can make a quick table of values and try plugging a few numbers in, like 1. On top, what's 1 times 2? Plus 6. On the bottom, what's 1 plus 3? What's 8 over 4? 8 over 4. 2. Put 0 in. What's nothing times 2 plus 6? On the bottom, what's nothing plus 3? And what's 6 over 3? 2. Put negative 1 in. Guess what you get? 2. No matter what x you put into this original function, y is always 2. Except, what happens in this original function when you put in negative 3? The function is undefined. It says you have an error, indicated on the graph with a hole.